Can you guess where we're at? Nowhere other than Walmart again. Let's go. We haven't been over here in a while. Me too. Ouch. Oh. We are officially headed home for the night. I don't know if you saw that, but I just smoked my head on the door. It hurt so bad. I'm right here and then I open.
Need help? You got it. Real quick. The scooter earlier.
To take it to a Kyoji. I'm about to pee my britches. It's one of my favorite times of the day, coffee time, especially when it's like rainy and gloomy out.
There's a little 3 different ways.
Hey, what are you barking? No. Coffee went cold already. And Ryan wanted to ride her scooter, so we are currently outside in the rainy, cold weather. Love it. Whoa!
I know that you have to buy in
How much are they?
$69.
I just can't. He is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's very yucky and rainy today, so it's a walking pad, kind of walking day. What are you looking? What are you doing? Well, why didn't you tell me that? I for real thought this was a nail in my wall until it started moving. Sorry, spider. Ugh.